Visionworks camera is far superior to the other brands that we've used. The resolution is excellent, very high quality product. Hands down, we couldn't do it without the camera. Couldn't do it.
Installing a Visionworks MACH 2 in-dash integration kit on a Ford F150 is quick and easy and should take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Step 1. Locate the first factory backup camera connection from the back of the vehicle where the tailgate meets the bed. Please note that any connections past the first connection are not compatible with the MACH 2 systems. Step 2. Unplug the camera side connection from the in-dash monitor side and plug in the MACH 2 cables into both unplugged factory connections. Press and release connectors on older truck models may be difficult to unplug. Step 3. There are two options for mounting your MACH 2 interface box. Option 1 is to mount the box behind the rear wheel in the fender well. Option 2 is to mount the box above the spare tire as shown. Be sure to clean the surface thoroughly before installing the adhesive that mounts the interface box to the vehicle. Step 4. Install the infrared remote control sensor on the dash of the vehicle as shown. Run the cable down through the floorboard of the vehicle along the frame rail to connect to your MACH 2 interface box. Start by removing the kick plate on the driver's side door and lift the carpet to locate the rotor plug in the floorboard. Drill a hole large enough to feed the IR sensor connection through and pull the cable down through the underside of the vehicle. Then run the cable along the frame rail to the interface box. Once you've connected power to the camera, you should be able to switch from your tailgate camera to the camera on the back of your RV or other trailer application using the remote control. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions or would like more information, please visit our website at visionworkscameras.com or please call at 1-800-333-4503.